I'm gonna show you how to make a popular Malaysian snack called murtabak magi or a ramen omelette. Yep, a ramen omelette. This was my twist on it, so let's get into it. So we're starting off with lots of veg. I'm toasting it some bell pepper and jalapenos, and I'm also skewering and swirling my sausage to increase the surface area and get more crispy bits. Now we're on to the fun part. So first you want to cook your ramen and drain the ramen water, but use the seasoning pack for the dry ramen. Next you want to gently pour over some beaten eggs and then layer on your toppings. I started with some American cheese, sweet peppers, and a thick sausage. Top it off with some green onions and fold it and enjoy.